if someone want to give you the order, then what should be the minimum order quantity?
Nothing. I want
One
nothing.
piece?
One piece can.
Wow,
you
that's
you
great.
you open the market for me. One piece. Trying the
Absolutely.
market.
Hey friends, again this is Amit Mulani from Amit Mulani and team, and right now we are here at the Gemstone Jewellery Show Bangkok 2024. I am visiting the store called 110 Precious, and with me the store owner is there, Nyran, Miss Nyran. So ma'am, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
First of all, let me congratulate that your designs are too good, very precise and very clean.
Thank you.
I can say that in the wall show, I haven't seen this much design with
Okay.
this much different color tones.
Ah,
So, but
okay.
obvious,
Yes.
let me just introduce their product. These are all the different product with the different color gemstones and based in the silver. So let me ask her more about her company and more information.
Okay.
So ma'am, just tell me about your company establishment year.
Okay. Okay. Actually, this company established on 2002.
2002,
Yes,
okay.
2002 established this company.
Okay.
But this is the family business since my mother's do since she was young.
Okay.
Yes. So this jewelry business started from my grandfather. He is the cutter of the stone. Okay.
Wow,
So I'm the
that's
third generation in the business.
Okay.
Yeah, from the first, my grandfather do the cutting stone. My mother do gold and jewelry, gold and diamond jewelry. My time, since the gold price is like a bit crazy, up and down, so we moved to do silver with our real gemstone. Yes.
But this is so good story of every, I think, Thai-based companies.
Yeah.
Like they have
you
started
can
with the
find,
grandfather.
yes, you can
Now
find
they're
like the
second and
business
third
family.
generations.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
You can find the family business, sometimes jewelry business is something like that.
Okay, so ma'am, tell me about your different kind of the jewelry designs and
Okay.
what you exclusively doing inside.
Okay, so most thing we do in silver with our real
Okay.
gemstone. Like you see, we have like the colorful sapphire.
Yeah.
Everything is natural stone.
You
Okay.
can pick your any one jewelry exclusive
Okay, yeah.
and you can show me.
Sure. For example, this
This one, yeah.
it's ruby with
Ruby,
citrine. Okay, so mostly we do in like nature design or something like classic that will be the pave bangle that you can mix and match with your own kind of jewelry.
Okay,
Yes,
got it.
so will be like easy wearing pieces. Like you see my brooch, you can attach to any suit or yeah.
It looks beautiful.
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you. Like with the quality of the stone I use, my mom, she tried to use the sparkle as she can find, okay, the best stone because when you put like the silver, the metal price, it's, okay, as you know, it's cheaper than the gold.
Yeah,
Cannot
absolutely,
compare.
absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.
So now she put the value on the stone. So
perfect.
get more value of the pieces.
Absolutely,
Yes.
and it must be done with the precise craftsmanship. Then it look like more elegant, no?
Yes,
absolutely,
yes,
and that's
true.
what the beauty of the jewelry.
Yes.
What is the base material is not that important,
Yeah.
but what you are studying in that way, in which way you are showing it, this is very important.
Yes.
So, in how many different designs we are manufacturing? Like,
Ooh, okay.
If I want to ask you that, how many designs you have? It is 1500, 2000, 3000, 5000.
Okay, in every range, like ring, earring, I
Yeah,
think like
everything.
2000 plus.
2000 plus.
Yeah, ring, earring, bangles, brooches, necklace. Everything in total around like 2000 plus.
2000 plus.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
perfect. And we are based
Thai
manufacturing.
base, yes.
And-
Bangkok base,
Bangkok based manufacturer.
yes.
Okay. In how many shows we are participating all over the world?
Okay. So as I told you, since my mother's still young, so uncountable, I think
Okay.
like 50 something fair already all over the world.
Okay, you have been participated already.
Yes.
So you have the very good client base all over the world.
Touch wood, yeah, yes.
Yeah.
I got
In
the
how
order
many
from.
countries are you exporting?
Okay, so we're doing in the US, the States, we're doing in Asia, we're doing in Hong Kong,
Okay.
in Singapore, Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia, something like.
Far East.
Yes, India I used to go once.
Uh-huh.
My mom used to go one time, one time, with my sister also one time.
Okay.
So yes.
And
yes.
which is the major market for your jewelry?
Asian market.
Asian market is
yes,
the major market,
yes,
no?
yes.
Okay, because I'm not knowing much about this
Okay,
product. Because from where we are coming, it is a diamond market actually.
Yes. So Asian market is like colorful pieces. Like
Yes,
like
true.
okay, from India they also like my pieces because we can attach with sari easy.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, because sari you do like colorful dresses.
Elegant.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you attach with this one, make you more like
Yeah,
colorful,
and I'm
cheerful.
seeing that as per the Indian culture, when I'm focusing on the culture,
Mm-hmm.
but obvious there are different kind of the clothings, you know, it is sari, dresses,
Uh-huh.
and westerns and
Yes.
etc. So all kind of the jewelry you have,
Uh-huh.
someone can wear this particular on the sari.
Yes.
It looks elegant.
True.
Some products
True.
can wear on the but obvious dresses
Yes.
and etc.
Yes.
So, but obvious your jewelries are too elegant. And what kind of the consumer you want mainly?
Consumer at the moment, if I can select, I want like the retailer, like who buy my pieces and wear, something like that. Because
So-
now the wholesaler, a bit hard at the
Yeah,
moment.
absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So I think you are also planning for the B2C in future, no?
yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely.
B2C.
I'm
Yes.
I'm wishing a great success for the same
Thank
because this
you.
is the future.
Yeah.
And last but not least question, that if someone want to give you the order, then
Okay.
what should be the minimum order quantity?
Nothing. I want
Nothing? One
nothing.
piece?
One piece can.
Wow,
you
that's
you
great.
you open the market for me. One piece.
Absolutely,
Trying the
absolutely.
market. Yes.
Absolutely. We will try to open the market for you
Thank
because
you.
this kind of the jewelry must be known by the world. No?
Thank you.
Thank you
I
so
hope
much,
so.
Nyran, for
Thank
your
you.
interview. And I'm wishing a great luck for your future. And have God bless.
Thank you.
अगर आप इंडिया से जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट बिजनेस सीखना चाहते हैं तो ज्वाइन कीजिए ऑनलाइन मास्टर कोर्स हिंदी और इंग्लिश में। फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन विजिट amitmulani.com।